Good evening everyone. Today I will discuss another problem in the ISS examination 2018 statistics paper 1 question number 11. Consider the problem. A rod of length 12 is broken into two pieces at random. The mean and variance of the length of the shorter of the two pieces are respectively option A L by 2 L square by 3, option B L square by 3, option C L by 2 L square by 12, option D L square by 12. So in this problem it is given that a rod of length 12 is broken into two pieces at random and we have to find the mean and variance of the shorter of the two pieces. So consider a square of length 12. So this is a square of side 12 and consider its midpoint L. So I marked L on the x and y axis and cut it into two portions diagonally so that I got two triangles. Okay. Now consider if I put the rod here. Okay. If I put the square rod here, then the shorter one is this portion. Yes. Okay. So if I put the rod here, then the shorter one is also in this portion. Now consider if I put the rod here, then also the shorter one is this portion. So up to the point L, the shorter portion or the shorter of the two pieces is in this shaded region, that is a triangle, a right-angled triangle. Okay. Now consider if I put the rod here and cut it into two pieces, then the shorter one is here, that is this portion. If I put the rod here, then the shorter one is here. So we can easily see that if we cut the rod, then we get the smaller portion in this region, with its base. Its base is L and here also the base is L, that is L minus 0, that is here L, and here 12 minus L, which is also equal to L. So when we joining these two triangles, we get a square of length L. That means the minimum of the two pieces takes any value within the square, that is it takes any value from 0 to L. So we can easily see that the minimum value, let I denote it by x, then the minimum follows a uniform distribution with the parameters 0L or uniform over the interval 0L. That is the minimum of the two portions follows continuous uniform over the points 0 and L. Okay. Then y is equal to x by L follows uniform 0, 1. As we know that expectation of a uniform 0, 1 random variable is 1 by 2 and its variance is 1 by 12. Okay, so expectation of x by L is equal to 1 by 2 and variance of x by L is equal to 1 by 12. So expectation of x, that is expectation of the minimum or shorter of the two pieces, is equal to L by 2 and variance of the minimum or shorter of the two pieces is equal to, we know that variance of a random variable ax is equal to a square into variance of x, so which is equal to 1 by 12 into L square. Here I will write it here. Here we get variance of x 1 by L square into variance of x is equal to 1 by 12. So variance of x is equal to L square by 12. So we get expectation of x is equal to L by 2 and variance of x is equal to L square by 12. So in the given options, option C is the right answer. Thank you.